Why choose full-service property management in San Diego? Perspectives from a San Diego-based management firm. Are you among the 10.6 million Americans who earn income from rental properties? These landlords earn an average of $97,000 a year. Without help, however, you may not maximize your profitability. Consider requesting full-service property management to compete with other San Diego landlords. Professional property management services can ensure you operate more efficiently and effectively. On the fence? Listen to discover the benefits of San Diego property management today. Upgrade and maintain properties. An old, crumbling rental property won't appeal to San Diego renters. Your properties could remain vacant, causing you to lose rental income. Before that happens, talk to a property management company. They can upgrade your rental properties to make them more attractive. They'll choose upgrades that can give you a competitive edge and boost your property value. These can include fresh paint, new floors, new kitchen cabinets, lighting changes, modern backsplash tiles, improved curb appeal. Your property manager will schedule routine inspections to ensure the property remains attractive. They'll hire reliable vendors in San Diego to minimize delays. Keeping up with maintenance tasks can improve tenant satisfaction rates. Otherwise, tenants may decide to take legal action. They could withhold rent or complete the repairs themselves and deduct the cost. Fill vacancies and retain tenants. Comprehensive property management can help you find and retain renters. Your property manager can use effective property marketing strategies to reach locals. These may include content creation, professional real estate photos, virtual and video tours, search engine optimization, email marketing, paid advertising, social media marketing. Filling vacancies can improve your monthly return on investment. Your property manager will screen renters to ensure you find reliable tenants. You can retain these renters to reach full occupancy. Improving your occupancy rate will further improve your profitability. You won't have to spend resources on finding and screening new tenants. Reduce rental property expenses. Choose a rental property management company that offers financial services. These services can help you find ways to minimize expenses. Operating more efficiently can improve your ROI. Automate processes. Experienced property management companies use state-of-the-art technology to automate tasks. Automation can save you time and money. It can also minimize human error. For example, your property manager can move tenants to an online portal. Your tenants can pay rent, send maintenance requests, and ask questions. Your property manager can use a chatbot to respond to simple requests. Fast and helpful responses will further improve satisfaction rates. This can help you keep renters who appreciate the help. Benefit from full-service property management. You don't have to keep managing your San Diego rental properties alone. Instead, request full-service property management. With professional services, you can maximize your profitability without additional stress. Rely on our team at Harland Property Management. We provide an unparalleled level of service. Our property owners can trust us to increase their profits while providing tenants positive experiences. Rely on our knowledge of the local market and comprehensive list of services. We'll keep costs down while ensuring your success. Contact us now for a free rental analysis.